We are now in Qatar. This is our entree. You got breadsticks and a whole bunch of dips.
We just got our food. What we ordered chicken shawarma and we ordered like lamb kufta. We're gonna eat, and then there's a fountain show that happens here every hour.
Come on as we're eating.
Yeah, which will be nice. Wearing our jelly lip, and we're on a boat in the middle of a shopping centre. This is cool.
This is proper.
Guys, it's a full roller coaster inside the shopping centre.
There's bumper cars,
Bumper
there's
cars,
go-karts.
go-karts. And that's a roller coaster. Let's go karting. And we're going bowling.
I'm gonna do it. It goes upside down.
Are we going on it? Alright guys, back in our room. Gonna end the day here and we'll see you guys tomorrow.